When it comes to increasing your home's value and curb appeal, many homeowners think of landscaping, fresh paint, or new windows. Yet, one often overlooked element plays a critical role in making a strong first impression: your doors. Whether it's the front entry, patio, or garage door, proper door installation is not just a finishing touch, it's a strategic investment. Here's why professionally installed doors matter so much for your home's aesthetics and financial value. First impression. Start at the door. Your front door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice about your home. A poorly installed or dated door can immediately set a negative tone, making even a well-maintained home seem neglected. In contrast, a beautifully installed, high-quality front door communicates pride of ownership, security, and style. Professionally installed doors ensure that everything fits perfectly, swings smoothly, and aligns with the architectural style of the home. This not only creates a more pleasant visual but also gives off the impression that the rest of the house is just as well cared for. Boosting curb appeal with style and symmetry. Curb appeal is essential whether you're planning to sell or simply want to take pride in your home's appearance. The way your door is installed influences how balanced and symmetrical your home looks from the street. A skewed door frame, uneven gaps, or misaligned hardware can throw off your exterior design, drawing attention for the wrong reasons. Proper installation allows homeowners to choose bold door styles, such as double-entry doors, craftsman-style wood finishes, or sleek modern glass panels, knowing that these design choices will be shown off at their best. Enhancing home value through energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a big selling point in today's real estate market. Improper door installation can lead to drafts, heat loss in winter, and higher cooling costs in summer. Over time, that inefficiency doesn't just affect comfort, it hits the wallet hard. Professionally installed doors form a tight seal with weather stripping, thresholds, and frames, minimizing air leaks and helping regulate indoor temperatures. This level of performance contributes directly to your home's energy rating, which can be a significant selling feature when it's time to list your property. Better security and peace of mind. Homebuyers and homeowners care about safety. A properly installed door isn't just about beauty, it's a fundamental security feature. Doors that are misaligned or loosely fitted can be easily forced open, especially if the lock hardware isn't aligned correctly with the frame. Expert installation ensures that deadbolts, smart locks, and reinforced strike plates are all secured exactly where they need to be. This improves both actual and perceived security, which is a major consideration for families, especially those with children or elderly residents. Durability that pays off. Even the highest quality doors will underperform if they're installed incorrectly. Over time, poor installation can lead to premature warping, sticking, creaking, and even water damage. These issues not only impact daily functionality but also incur repair and replacement costs that eat into your home improvement ROI. With professional installation, your doors are mounted squarely, sealed properly, and supported structurally. This durability means fewer maintenance headaches and greater longevity, both of which contribute positively to long-term home value. Conclusion. A smart investment in every way. A proper door installation isn't just a technical detail, it's a smart, multifaceted investment. It elevates curb appeal, improves energy efficiency, strengthens home security, and ensures long-term performance. Whether you're upgrading your home for resale or enhancing it for your own enjoyment, the doors you choose, and how they're installed, make a lasting impact. Don't overlook the entrance to your biggest investment. The right doors, installed the right way, do more than open and close. They open doors to greater value, appeal, and peace of mind.